Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Grammarly app on your iPhone step by step. In very simple step, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. Now look for Grammarly app icon. It's green with a white G. Now tap and hold your finger on the Grammarly app. After a second, a small menu will pop up and the icon may start shaking. In the pop-up menu, choose delete app or remove app. If the app are shaking, you can also tap the small minus sign on the top of Grammarly app. A message will appear asking if you want to delete Grammarly. Tap delete to confirm. This removes the app from your iPhone. If you were using the Grammarly keyboard, you may also want to turn it off. Here's how. Open settings, scroll down and tap general, scroll down and tap keyboard, tap keyboards. If you see Grammarly, tap it and choose delete or turn off. Deleting the app doesn't cancel your subscription. If you still have a paid plan, go to App Store, Profile, go to App Store, tap on Profile, tap on Purchase History, tap on Grammarly, cancel subscription. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.